Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a sneak peek of the old item of the week. So currently it is the Sabrina Carpenter dress, which I have on right here. Unfortunately, it's going to be removed in around 7 hours, which is 12 a.m. my time, I think. But here is the preview of the old item of the week that's coming up in a few hours. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think it is. As you can see, it's just a silhouette. I've just recently played Dress to Impress this year, so or it was last year maybe. So unfortunately, I cannot, I wouldn't know what it is, but maybe you guys can tell me. You old Dress to Impress players could tell me what the item is in the comment section down below. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.